Hi to all my dear students. Welcome back to my channel, Studying Maths with me. So today I would like to do revision for Maths Paper 2 and also helping SPM candidates to prepare for your SPM next year 2021. So today my main focus is transformation. So I understand that many students need me to teach them how to master the transformation. So let's do revision for Form 4 final exam. At the same time, prepare for your SPM next year. So for transformation is actually very important in paper 2. Okay, it carry 12 marks. So let's have a look of the question. So basically you will be given the translation or rotation or reflection. It seems like you're given the translation 5, -3, and then for P is a reflection in the line y equal to 4, and then alright, so the first step we'll do translation 5, -3. If they ask for T, if they ask for TP, we'll do P first, followed by T. Alright, so we'll do reflection followed by translation 5, -3. Alright, so let's have a look of the object, which is 13.7. Alright, so you're asking to find the image of 13.7 under translation. So now we go to the graph. We read carefully the point object 13.7. Okay, we mark the point object 13.7. Okay, and then we will do translation 5, means move 5 unit along the x-axis, okay, to the right, and then -3 means you move downwards 3 unit, right? And then we will try to read the image carefully. So we need to label the point carefully. Alright, so okay, now next we will proceed to another one. So let's see, the next one is you have to reflect first. Reflect in the line y equal to 4. So we look for a line that cut the y-intercept y equal to 4. We draw the line so that it is clear when we do reflection. So first of all, we go back to the object 13.7. Okay, then we reflect on the line. Make sure the distance is perpendicular distance and 3 unit. The distance must be equal from the line of refraction. Alright, so it's 3 unit and must be perpendicular distance. Alright, so it's 3, okay, from the line of reflection from object, and 3 from the line of reflection for the image. So the answer is 13 and 1. This is the first image after we do the first transformation, which is reflection. Followed by we will do the translation, which is moving 5 unit to the right and then moving down 3, downward 3. So we will find the image, the final image, which is 18 -2, right? Okay, the answer is 18 -2. Then we will have to write the answer in the answer space like this. So I advise you to write the first image 13.1 followed by the final image 18 -2. Alright, so then the next one we will focus to the object. So we are given the image, which is TURV. Object is JKLM. So now for the JKLM is the object. So we will actually write down the corresponding final image, and this is the final image, which is TURV. And then actually we have first image that we need to write down also, which is PQRS, right? So okay, so that means if we do the transformation, the object J, okay, the corresponding point will go to the corresponding point is T, right? So we use color to find the corresponding point. The point K will transform to U, and then the point L will go to R, right? And the M will go to the V, right? So this is the first image. This is the object and the second image. Now we need to figure out the first image first. Our first image is not the final image. The first image is should be the same. So yeah, this is the first image. So from the object we go to first image, and then the final one is a big one. Okay, that is the concept. So from object we will do transformation X, then we will reach first image, alright, and then from first image we go to second image, which is Y. Right, now we want to do transformation from object to first image. So we will think of either it is rotation or reflection or translation, or enlargement is impossible, right, from the object to first image. So we look at the point T, it will go to P. So it looks like it cannot be reflection, so it should be rotation, right? Because you can see the orientation is not the same, right? So you can label like this to find the corresponding point. And in order to find the center of rotation, you can use a compasses, and you just poke on the corresponding point and draw the bisector. Remember, use the compasses, and then you draw the line, and the two lines will intersect at the point of rotation. Okay, so now you can actually use many ways to find the center of rotation. The best way is using compasses, draw the arc and make sure the two arcs are intersecting, and then you draw a straight line, and you find the other pairs of the corresponding point. You draw another bisect, and then you will get the intersection of two bisect to get the point of rotation, right? So now I'm highlighting to you the object and the image using the red color. So now I want to focus to the center of rotation for these two. So basically you can zoom in to the correct. Some people can do imagination, they can find the center of rotation by just visualize. So it looks like it's clockwise, right? So the direction is clockwise. This is a transformation X, so it's a clockwise. And then we want to figure out the point of rotation is at the point 2, 1. Can you see that? You connect the point to 2, 1, and you will see that the center of rotation is there, the 2, 1, right? It is equal length from the center of rotation to the object, yes, and to the image is 90 degree. So the answer for the center of rotation is 2, 1, and it's 90 degree, is a rotation, and then is a clockwise for the transformation X. Okay, so it looks like quite simple if you really focus. And then finally is from the first image, you want to reach a final image, you can use a ruler, connect the same color point, okay, extend, okay, the red and red, and the blue and blue, okay, and the purple and purple, and the three line will be intersecting at one point, and that point is known as center of enlargement. Okay, center of enlargement. So you can use a ruler to find the three line intersecting, or maybe two lines will do. It will intersecting at a point from the object and image from the corresponding point. then you can actually state the center of the enlargement. Okay, so now that is how you read the center enlargement. I draw the purple color line, okay, to show the line intersecting at the point R38. So that is the answer for the center of the rotation. Alright, so we just mark the center of rotation using the purple color line, and then we need to write the answer in a sentence because the question is asking for describe, right? For describe. Okay, so we will write the answer in center in the answer space for the three important keywords. One is center, and scale factor, and also the point of enlargement, scale factor, right? Okay, so now we will write the answer in the answer space. Okay, so for X is a rotation. When you write rotation, you get 1 mark. Okay, when you write 90-degree clockwise, okay, you will get another 1 mark. And then you write the center, you'll get another 1 mark. Okay, and then finally you have to write the center to 1, and for enlargement you have to write enlargement, and then you have to write the scale factor, which is 3, and also you have to write the center of the enlargement. Okay, and then finally you have to complete your answer in a sentence form, or maybe you can write in important point form, also can be accepted. Okay, so the last part is you have to find the scale factor. I think you got no problem. You find the length of image over the length of the object. The last part is we have to find the area, right? Area of object and area of image, right? So the final step is we find the area of the image over area of the object, right, equal to scale factor square. And then okay, so let's complete this description. Okay, enlargement with scale factor 3 about the center R38, right? Okay, now we need to find the area of the object and area of the image. If they give you object, you find the image. If they give you image, you find the object. So now it seems like they give you the object is 35. So after you rotate, the object will be 35 there. At the first image, the area is still the same. Then we use a formula of enlargement. Area of the image over area object equal to k square. Then we will just substitute area of the image, area of object equal to k square. So the area of the image can be found using 9 times 35, which is equivalent to 315. Okay, I'm sorry, now it's raining, so a bit noisy. Let me finish it first. So you have area of image is 315, but you want the area of the shaded region, right? So you have to take 315 minus out the area of object, which is equal to 315 minus 35. What's the answer? Okay, now you can find the answer for me. Alright, so the answer is 315 minus 35 is 280, right? Okay, so the final answer is area of the shaded region in green color that I shade is 315 minus out 35 So you get the answer, which is 280, 35, that's 35. All right, the writing not so clear. So the final answer is 280, right? Okay, so I think transformation is quite easy. Keep on practice. I'm sure you can get full marks in your coming final exam or SPM exam. So till now, I think that's all for the sharing for the transformation. So make sure you write your answer in the complete sentence, or make sure your answer working or must be following the steps. Okay, the answer must be written in the answer space in exam. All right, make sure you write your answer properly so that we can give you the working marks, because this is paper 2, and then the marks are given not only for the answer, the marks are given based on your working. So working is very, very important for paper 2. So I hope you won't miss out the marks by not showing your steps. Okay, I'm sure many of you can score A or A plus in the coming exam. That's all for today's sharing. I hope and you keep on practice so that you can be more careful, can be perfect scorer in the coming SPM exam or final year exam. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.